Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to take up a sum on receipts and payment account. In the first video of NPO, that is non-profit organization, accounting for non-profit organization, we have learned about the formats of receipts and payment account. Also, we have come across the various items that are involved in a non-profit organization or not-for-profit earning organization. Okay, that is also known as non-trading organizations. So today we are going to take up two sums on the receipts and payment account, and we are going to see how it is solved. But before we take it, I'm just giving a quick revise of what we have done in the previous video about receipts and payment account. I told that in the receipts and payment account is nothing but the cash book prepared by a नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट अर्निंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ठीक है, ये कैश बुक की तरह होता है, मतलब यहाँ पे कैश का ही ट्रांजेक्शन करना है. ओनली एंड ओनली कैश ट्रांजेक्शन विल बी रिकॉर्डेड हियर. ओके, अदर नॉन कैश ट्रांजेक्शंस, आउटस्टैंडिंग आइटम्स, एक्रूड आइटम्स विल नॉट बी टेकिंग प्लेस. इन सिंपल, पेमेंट हुआ रिकॉर्ड करो, रिसीप्ट हुआ रिकॉर्ड करो. दैट इज द main gist. Okay, all the receipts will be recorded in the debit side and all the payments in the credit side. That is the concept. So let's start. Here is a question. From the following, prepare the receipts and payment account of Golden Cricket Club for the year ended 31st of March 2015. Okay, so here the informations are given about preparation of receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st of March 2015. So what is given here? We'll first of all just find out what is the item that is going to go in the receipt side, what will be the end of payment side. Then we'll start for the solution. So summary of the cash book is given here. So it starts with cash in hand as on 1st of April 2014 and cash at bank as on 1st of April 2014. That is 20,000 and 35,000. Okay, so 20,000 and 35,000. This is the opening balance. So remember that the opening balance will come in the receive side. Okay, it will come in the receive side, as I'll just mention here R, so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Even if I don't do that, it will be very easy, but still for your understanding, for the first time I'm just mentioning it. R refers to receipts. Okay, I think it will be little difficult for editing here. Okay, I'll just orally say that will be okay. Cash in hand on 1st April 2014 and cash at bank on 1st April 2014 is the opening balance, so it will come as two balance brought down. As I have already told you in the previous video while discussing the performer, the receipts and payment account is a cash book of not-for-profit earning organization. So for them, this cash in hand and cash at bank at the beginning of the year will be the opening balance. So two balance brought down: cash in hand 20,000, cash at bank 35,000. Okay. Then coming to the next one, subscription. This is also a receipt. And what we are going to do, as I already told you, the concept is that all the items that we are going to receive in this particular year, current year, will be coming here. Whether that item relates to previous year or the item relates to next year, doesn't matter. If we are receiving in this year, it will be recorded. So what are the items? 2013, 14, 30,000, 14, 15, 2 lakh, 25,000, 15, 16, it is 10,000. So the total of 2,65,000 will come in the receipt side. Then again, coming to the next one, donation for building we have received. So 60,000, that will be coming again in the receipt side. Entrance fees, this is also our receipt, so it will also be coming in the receipt side. Life membership fees, it is also received by an NGO or non-profit organization, so it will also be coming under the receipt side. Then printing and stationery. Printing and stationery is taken as an expenditure because we make a payment for purchasing of copies, then taking the printouts and getting other stationery items for the purpose of running the organization. So those things will be coming as a payment. So printing and stationery of 38,750 will go in the payment side. Lighting, it is a cost for uh, lighting the organization, so it is also a payment. Then rent and taxes, it is obviously a payment. Then telephone charges, payment. Postage and courier, it is also coming under payment. Then wages and salaries, it is also a payment. Then coming to the next one, insurance premium, you all know that it's a payment. And interest on government securities, it is a receipt because we have invested some amount of money in government securities, so we are getting interest from there, so it is a receipt. Okay, receipt. Then locker rent, this type of facility is provided by NGOs, so it is also a receipt. Then uh, purchase of government securities, that is a payment. we are buying government security, so it's an investment. It is taken as money is going out, so it is a payment type. Okay, it will be taken as payment. Then at last we have cash in hand on 31st March 2015, 23,400, and cash at bank on 31st March 2015, 70,000. So this is nothing but the closing balance of cash. So it will be coming in the closing balance, means it will be coming in the opposite side of the opening balance. It will be coming in the credit side as buy balance carried down, sorry, buy balance carried down, cash in hand 23,400, cash at bank 70,000. You can see that both the balances are given here. That shows that the total of both the sides will be coming equal here. The possibilities are maximum. If it is not, then we must have done some mistake. Why? Because both cash in hand and cash at bank, if it is given, that means both the side must be equal. Okay, and if the cash in hand is given or cash at bank is given, anyone is given, then the remaining balance, whatever the remaining balance is there, that will be coming as either cash in hand or cash at bank. एक दिया हुआ होगा और दूसरा वाला निकलेगा balance करके. Okay, but if both are given, that means the proof that both the sides should be equal. Now let's start posting it. So first of all, cash in hand, cash at bank. So उससे पहले हम लोग format बना लेते हैं. There is a format, receipts and payment account. The format is ready. As we can see that receipts and payment account will have two sides. One is a debit side and the other one is a credit side. In the debit side, we are going to write receipts. In the credit side, we are going to write the payments. Okay, and in that we have the amount column. So let's and in the top you should write receipts and payment account for the year ended 31st of March 2015. Also, you should know that we will be writing the name of the organization for whom we are preparing the accounts in the books of. That is very, very important. Don't forget that in the books of Golden Cricket Club, right? Golden Cricket Club. So that should be there. If the address is there, then that should also be accompanied with that, or else it should be only this in the books of Golden Cricket Club, but it should be there. Without that, it is incomplete. For the year ended 31st of March 2015. So as per the information, we have prepared it. Now let's start. So cash in hand, cash at bank. It will be coming as two balance brought down. Cash in hand is 20,000 and cash at bank is 35,000. So you can see here, it will be like this. I'm just making the perfection here. It should be like this. Two balance brought down, right? Two balance brought down. What will be the balance brought down? Cash in hand 20,000, cash at bank 35,000. Clear? Okay. Then we will go for the next item. After that, we have subscription. So that will also be two subscription because it is a receipt. All as a whole, you can write down 2,65,000. So you can see here, it is written as a whole. Two subscription for 2013-14 30,000, 2014-15 it is 2,25,000, and 15-16 we have 10,000. The total is 2,65,000. Okay, so that is also there. After that, we have next item, donation for building 60,000 and entrance fees. Two items also we can take at a time. So entrance fees of 23,000. Both will be coming in the debit side as two donation for building, two entrance fees of 60,000 and 23,000. Then coming to the next one, life membership fees of 20,000. That will be also coming in the debit side as two life membership fees, right? Two life membership fees 20,000. Then we have the next one. After that, we have printing and stationery that will be coming in the payment side 38,750. So it will be coming as buy printing and stationery because payment will be starting with buy. Okay, so remember that buy printing and stationery 38,750. After that, printing and stationery, we have lighting of 26,250. So again, it will be coming as buy lighting 26,250. Then coming to the next one, after lighting, we have rates and taxes 17,000. So it will be again coming as buy rates and taxes 17,000 rupees. Then coming to the next one, we have postage and courier of, so telephone charges of 2,600. So it will be coming as buy telephone charges 2,600. Next, we have got postage and courier of 2,000 rupees. So again, it will be coming as buy postage and courier 2,000 rupees. All the payments will be coming in the credit side. And again, we have post wages and salary of 88,000. That will be also coming in the payment side, right? That is also a payment. So buy wages and salaries 88,000. Then coming to the next one, we have insurance premium of 15,000. That is also a payment we pay to the insurance company. So it will be coming as buy insurance premium 15,000. Then coming to the next one, interest on government securities 18,000. We have received it. So since it is a receipt, so it will come in the receipt side as buy, sorry, to interest on government securities 18,000. You can see here to interest on investment in government securities 18,000. Then coming to the next one, after that we have a locker rent of 48,000. So it will also come in the debit side as to locker rent 40. Sorry, the amount is locker rent is 42,000. Yeah, to locker rent 42,000. Right. Now we'll go to the next item. The next item is purchase of government securities. So it will be coming as buy purchase of government securities 2 lakh. So it is buy purchase of government securities 2 lakh. Then coming to the final item, that is cash in hand as on 31st March 2015, 23,400, and cash at bank on 31st March 2015 is 70,000. So it will be coming as buy balance carried down. It is cash in hand as on 31st March 2015 as 23,400 and cash at bank as on 31st March 2015 as 70,000. Now we can see that all the items are over, isn't it? So once all the items are over, that means what we are going to do, we will do the balancing. But as I already told you that in this particular question, both the closing balances of cash in hand and cash at bank is given. Okay, since both the balances are already given, so there is every possibility that the both the side will be equal. Okay, so just simply do the totaling. You can see that the total of both the side is 4,83,000 and 4,83,000. Okay, most of the time, since the first question, so simply it is given in this way. Most of the time, any one balance will be given. Like for example, only cash is given. Okay, and what you have to do is that after balancing, you will get cash at bank as 70,000. In the bracket, you can write down balancing figure. Okay, but here it is given, so it will be directly kept as it is. I hope all of you have understood this particular part, right? Clear? Okay, we'll take another question in one more video. Okay, so after that only we can exit from receipts and payment account. I hope all of you have understood this particular question very nicely. Okay.